Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet some very easy oval shaped earrings. So let's get started. To make these earrings, you could use any type of yarn. This is a great way to use up your yarn stash. You could use embroidery, thread, or crochet cotton. For special earrings for Christmas or New Year's, you could actually use some of this metallic fun yarn. Today I'm going to do my demo with two colors of acrylic yarn, and I'm going to add one strand of a fun yarn. So I'm going to leave a long yarn end, and I'm working with a 5.5 millimeter crochet hook. You can use any size hook that you like. Start with a slip knot, and I'm just going to chain approximately 10, I guess. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And then you can just check and bring it together and see if that's how large you would like your earrings to be. And again, I'm going to fasten off with a fairly long yarn end. So here's my yarn end and my other yarn end. I'm going to bring those together and I'm going to tie them into a square knot. I'm going to thread these 3 yarn ends into a yarn needle. And I'm going to pass that back down through the chain. I'm going to keep my thumb in the loop because I don't want to lose that loop. And you could just pass your crochet hook in there if you'd like. You want to keep the loop for hanging it onto the ear wire. So now come back up with that to lock that in and trim off the extra like that, and thread the remaining yarn ends into a needle. And I'm going to pass the other yarn end in through the finished work as well. And I'm going to go in 2 different directions and trim those off very close like that. And then you can pass this yarn in through the loop of your earrings. And you can use purchased ear wires, or you can make your own using the link that I'm going to provide below. And so there you go. That's how you can make some very easy crochet earrings. These were made with crochet cotton. These were just acrylic yarn in 2 different colors. For these, I used 4 strands of this yarn. And then I passed a bead on the loop at the top. 2 strands of black acrylic yarn. 1 strand of black and 1 strand of red. And then I just wound some black yarn across the top. So if you don't have beads, you can do that. And then this is the one that I just made. And there you go. That's how you can crochet some very easy fiber earrings. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.